Are you ready to take the next step to your custom supplement labels for your products? Well, this video is perfect for you. Make your nutraceutical or supplement labels stand out with LX610E Print and Cut Color Label Printer. In the competitive nutritional supplement market, your labels needs to work hard to attract the attention of busy shoppers. First, create your design with your design software. A good question to ask yourself whenever you're doing your design is, does my label communicate information clearly? Consumers want to know the key aspects of your product in a short amount of time. Make sure the important information is easy to spot, like the ingredients and directions on how to use it. Once you're done with your design, print it with LX610E Print and Cut Color Label Printer. This printer combines color label printing up to 4,800 dpi with a built-in digital die cutting mechanism. For added durability, LX610E allows you to print on a variety of materials such as gloss, clear, gold, silver, and more. LX610E helps you produce high-quality, consistent, easy, and economical supplement labels. When printing supplement labels, choose a label that can handle travel, storage, and frequent consumer use. Personalize your nutritional labels with LX610E Print and Cut Color Label Printer. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit our website at www.labelgraff.com.